Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's nail art tutorial, April will be showing you how she sculpts her nail extensions using hard gel. Be sure to stay tuned until the end to see how she created this gorgeous vertical gradient on top.
Hi, it's April. Let's begin. First, we need to prep our natural nails. Start by pushing back your cuticles. Then file the length of your nails with a soft file and round the edges. Be sure to remove any dust. Next, we need to make our nails matte with a soft buffer. You don't want to push too hard on the buffer because that could damage your nails and cuticles. The nail needs to be completely matte, without any shiny spots, to prevent lifting. Okay, now it's time to remove the dust with rubbing alcohol and then apply a primer. Next, apply a base coat and cure in UV lamp for 1 minute. Now you can choose what type of nail extension you want to use. In my last CutePolish video, I used plastic acrylic tips. This time I will show you how build nail extension using hard gel and paper forms. There are several different types of hard gel with different viscosities. If the gel builder is in a bottle with brush, it means they're very liquidy and application needs to be in several thin coats. These are great for beginners because they are easy to use. There are also gel builders that have a thicker, medium consistency. They need to be applied in 1 or 2 coats, as they allow you to work fast. However, this type isn't good for beginners, because it tends to spread fast and you need to be able to work quickly. Finally, these are builder gels with high viscosity. These are good for both beginners and experienced because they are very thick and allow you to work with the product for a long time without having to be afraid that the gel will spread onto the skin. So to start, remove the paper form from its base and attach the lower part so it's perfectly straight. Rip the upper part at the designated mark to easy use. Next, you need to attach the bottom of the form on the nail and press firmly side to side. The form needs to stay straight with growth direction of natural nail and not tilt up or down. Otherwise the gel might seep into the gap and cause discomfort. Let's start building the nail. Use a milky colored gel to create the edge, then cure it under a UV lamp for 1 minute. Please know that if your UV lamp is too strong, it may make the gel too hot and cause discomfort. So when you buy a UV lamp, try to find one that has a low heat mode. After curing, remove the form. Start with the upper part and peel off of the nail. Here's how the nail looks before the main gel coat application. Apply gel over the whole nail from cuticle to the edge. You need to work quickly as gel spreads fast. As with acrylic nails, the thickest part should be in the middle and thinnest at the cuticle, edge and sides. Cure in UV lamp for 1 minute. If you think that you applied the gel unevenly, just apply another coat and cure it again. To control the thickness, flip the nail and move the brush in the needed direction. The gel will leave a tacky layer after curing, so remove it with acetone. Now you're ready to shape the nails. This is the exact same process as I showed you in my How to do acrylic nails video. File the edge and sides to give the nail a coffin shape. This looks like square nails, but it tapers as it gets to the tip. Then fly the top to make sure it's rounded and not flat. Again, please note that the nail should have different thickness and different areas. File from the sides to the center with rounded movements. The gel at the cuticle should be very thin, however, you should not be able to see the natural nail. File the excess material in this area to half of millimeter. The same applies to the edge of the nail. It should not be too thick. Try to make it 1 to 2 mm. Use the same thickness for the sides, but don't have it any thinner or it could lead to breaks. And now our nail extensions are done. It's up to you how you'd like to finish the manicure. You can simply apply a gel top coat and leave them plain, or you can use gel to create some beautiful nail art. I decided to show you guys some nail art. So I'm going to create a pastel vertical gradient. It's easy to create. First, apply pink gel on the one half of the nail, and then blue gel on the other. For best effect, use liquidy high pigmented gels. This is because thick gels may take more time to blend the colors together. Also, be sure that you don't have too much gel on the brush. Repeat this process 2-3 times, curing each coat for 1 minute. Finally, apply gel top coat, cure for 1 minute, and your beautiful new nails are complete. Click these boxes to watch more awesome nail tutorials here on CutePolish. Hit the circle to subscribe. And click the circle to come check out my personal nail channel. Thank you for watching.